Hello everyone. Yes, my name is Piyush Khurana and I'm back with another video, another summarizing video. This summarizing video will summarize my days from 5 to 10. I'm really sorry I was not able to bring up the another summarizing video that had to come on the day 6 or 7 because I was having my Viva, and today only I got free from all of the Vivas and presentations. Now I will be able to concentrate clearly on this challenge from now on. I hope so. And so, without without wasting any further time, let's start with this video. Let's move to the presentation. So this is summarizing days 5 to 10, and it's the part of the series 30 days of code, and it's the second summarizing video. So let's move ahead. So what will we discuss in today's presentation? So the main topics will be what have I learned in the past few days, the improvements that I am seeing, where am I lacking the most, some realizations, and changes in the strategy if any. So moving ahead, so what have I learned in the past few days? So I had to concisely put all the days in this slide. So I have put some bits of the information, and on the day 5 basically I learned something is about sorting algorithms and the cadence algorithm, which is used to find the maximum sum, as far as I know, as far as I have read about, so of the maximum sum subarray that we can have in a particular given array. And then moving ahead to day 7, I learned some things about searching questions. I did some questions on searching and learned some binary search technique, like. And on the day 9, sorry for this untidy screenshot, but I learned about merge sort basically, and how it's merging technique. I used it in a question. And on the day 10, I did some questions on arrays and strings back again. And the reason that I was not able to post these things, because on each of these data I did questions. I did not skip any day. I did questions, but I was not able to succeed in any of them due to some lack of knowledge, due to lack of getting the exact logic that would work. So yeah, that was the reason that I was not posting on LinkedIn too. And I was also busy in the Vivas, in the preparation of Viva and presentations and the files. So moving ahead, what are the improvements that I have seen? So there are not many improvements that I have seen after the first 5 days because I got a bit busy. But yes, this challenge is like a driving force for me currently to keep me on the track no matter what happens. And the second point is really important to motivate me right now, is that just 10 days ago I was not doing anything related to data structures and algorithms, but now I tried daily, even if I am not able to reach the end solution. I repeat, I tried daily. I am not skipping any day. I try daily, and I know that soon I will be able to reach the final solutions also after practicing. So where am I lacking the most? Even right now, I'm lacking most in time management. I was not able to manage my time between Vivas, college, and this challenge. But now, since the college classes will not be there as the exams are coming soon, just near maybe they will start in the with at the end of December. And yes, so I have my holidays now, so I will be able to manage time, I guess. So moving ahead, some realizations. That the first realization is that I might not be able to do daily documentation of my journey, but I'm trying and I'm learning on a daily basis, and that I think is more important for now. And yes, I was not able to post daily on LinkedIn on a daily basis, but I was trying. And the other realization is that I can do it no matter what happens. I will do my best. Right now I am not able to solve the questions a lot, but I know that I will be able to do it soon if I will come and continue this practice. So changes in the strategy. In the very beginning when I started, I did questions from various sections like sorting, searching, and strings. But now I have realized that I will try to complete one section at a time in order to avoid any kind of hassle in the learning process. And I will try various approaches of questions submitted by other programmers on the sites like Geeks for Geeks and LeetCode, rather than just trying my approach and the actual solution given on the site platform. So last but not the least, I have survived 10 days in the challenge, and that applies 1/3 of it. Yeah, but this is a journey. I have to enjoy the whole journey, but still, it's still an accomplishment, because just 10 days ago I was there, I was doing nothing, and it's been 10 days in this challenge, and I'm trying daily. So that's not a very big, but still an accomplishment for me. So thank you very much, and let's see how will I be able to compensate the loss that has been caused in the previous few days. And we'll see you in the next video on day 12 or 15. Fingers crossed. Let's see. Thank you very much. Bye.